Hello and welcome. My name is Yousef Wilson. I'm a career coach, AI strategist, and author of two 2024 Amazon best-selling books on AI and how to future-proof your career. I have 25 years of corporate experience and over 20 years of career coaching experience, where I've worked with hundreds of clients, helping them through all stages of their career journey, from layoffs to reinventions, as well as breakthroughs. In fact, I've been laid off 4 times myself. And through each of these major layoffs and job disruptions, I've been able to focus, I've been able to reinvent and come back stronger and more aligned where the workplace is going. And this course is basically powered by those lived experiences. What I'm sharing with you during the series of this course, it's not just strategy. I'm sharing with you battle-tested strategy and deep empathy from someone that's been there and ready to help you overcome your job and life and AI strategy, okay? This course, Future-Proof Your Career, 2025 AI Crash Course on how to thrive in this economy, is a course where you're just not gonna learn about understanding about AI, but you're gonna learn how to thrive and how to use AI as your thought partner and your amplifier for not just your workplace, but also for your life. This course will help you take advantage of the wonderful opportunity and the wonderful world that we're living within AI and how it will enhance who we are and how we will thrive and become more proficient in the workplace and in our life. Let's cover a little bit about what's going to be included in this course. In this course, we will explore
the fundamentals of AI and how it works, the ways AI is reshaping industries and career paths, the ethical and moral considerations that come with new technologies, how human AI collaboration can supercharge your productivity and creativity. This is more than a lesson in technology. It's a blueprint for thriving in the age of disruption. Who is this course for? This course is designed for professionals across industries looking to stay competitive, job seekers aiming to future-proof their careers, entrepreneurs and business owners exploring AI to innovate their operations, lifelong learners curious about the rise of AI, educators and students looking to understand AI's practical applications. If you're wondering how AI will affect your future or how to harness it for your advantage, you're in the right place. What makes this course unique? We've built this learning journey with powerful tools and support, including Meet Julie, your AI edubot. Julie is your personal guide, featured in many of our YouTube-based learning videos and available throughout this course. She'll break down complex concepts, offer additional support, and help you stay engaged as you move through the content. Next, we leverage cutting-edge Gen AI podcasts. Hosted by 3 dynamic podcast teams, our Gen AI podcast offer a conversational learning experience that brings topics to life. Timely insights from AI experts, thought leaders, and futurists. On-the-go listening so you can learn wherever you are. Additional learning enhancements include real-time case studies from 2025 for relevant application, interactive videos to visualize key concepts, live group coaching sessions where we work together directly, practice exercises with AI tools you'll use in the real world. Lastly, what are the key takeaways from this course? By the end of this course, you will understand the core concepts and terminology of artificial intelligence. Recognize AI's transformative impact on the workforce and business models. Learn to interact with AI through prompting and collaboration. Embrace ethical, responsible use of AI in your career. Begin building your AI-powered career strategy. Develop the confidence and curiosity to lead, not lag, in the age of AI.
Remember, this course is just the beginning. In this course, you just didn't understand and start beginning about learning about AI. You've begun to understand exactly how to harness AI to expand your career, as well as to maximize AI and the potential of your lifestyle. There's an old adage, and the adage goes like this: the ability to learn is a gift. Capacity to learn is a skill. And the willingness to learn is a choice. And I want to encourage you to take advantage of all of the new tools you have now and to use these tools to enhance your life. Feel free, I'm going to be walking side by side with you as we go through our journey of the course, as well as you're going to be able to connect with me in social media, as well as my LinkedIn page. Stay connected with me so you can see that I'm going live, and we're going to have coaching sessions, and we're going to have abundance of tools to enhance your experience. Wishing you the best, much success, and see you on the battlefield.